Hey guys, happy 4th of July. I didn't plan on making a video today, but I got my aluminum push rods for the E Revo 2.0 in the mail. These are the ones that replace the Summit push rods and the E Revo push rods. They are 112 millimeters long. I'm gonna try these out and see how well they do. I'm gonna put them on the RC and I'm going to jump it and bash it a bit and see how they hold up. As you can see, these aluminum push rods are a bit longer than the stock push rods, so I'm going to put it in the very last hole and see if it fits right. So I put it on down here on the furthest hole. Stock ones, you know, by default come in this hole, and that looks like it fits. That looks right to me. I don't think it's going to be an issue putting it in this hole and not having it in the center one. It looks like it's going to be about the same. So if normally you have it sit in this hole, just put it over in this hole and that fits. I got them both installed. Let's go get this E Revo in the air. I don't know why I thought that jump was so funny. That was so awesome. That was just about full speed. I hit that thing pretty hard. Yeah, something doesn't look right. Let's look. I broke that. Awesome. Well, I guess that's the end of the E Revo 2.0 today. The push rods held up pretty good, it seems, but the tie rod, not so much. Well guys, you saw everything I did with these push rods on there. If you notice, I'm holding it in my hand. Why am I holding it in my hand? Because I bent it. I bent the crap out of it. And it doesn't take much to break aluminum, and if you bend it just a little bit, it's pretty much gone. It's waste of money. I think I paid like 18 bucks for these things. I waited like 2 weeks for them to come in. They didn't survive 10 jumps. I've jumped like 9 times with them. You saw what I did. I've done worse than that with the stock push rods. I have done so much more with the stock push rods. I think it was like 2 months before the stock push rods gave out, and it was the rod ends that came off of it, and they didn't even break. So I can't recommend these. They are a waste of money. I know people are saying put these on there. If you intend on jumping this E Revo, these push rods are not going to survive it. They are not strong enough. They are aluminum, and maybe they're fine for the Summit or the V1 E Revo if you're just being gentle on it, but the 2.0 is a heavy machine. It comes down pretty hard, and it's just not built for that kind of abuse. Look, I found a use for them. Oh well. Well, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoy your 4th of July, and I will see you next time.